For more than 50 years, one name has echoed through the streets of America: Charger, a car known for thunderous V8 engines, burnouts, and unapologetic muscle. But today, everything changes. Because the new Dodge Charger Daytona doesn't run on gasoline, it runs on electricity. And the question everyone is asking is simple: can an electric car really replace a muscle car legend? In the grand tapestry of automotive history, few names resonate with the same raw, visceral energy as the Dodge Charger. For over half a century, it has been far more than just a car. It's a rolling testament to American ambition, a four-wheeled symbol of performance that has been woven into the very fabric of our culture. It represents the spirit of the open road, the thrill of unbridled power, and an unapologetic attitude that refuses to be ignored. Its silhouette is instantly recognizable, its engine note a thunderous declaration of intent. This legacy was forged in the crucible of competition. Think back to the legendary 1969 Charger Daytona. This wasn't just a production car, it was a purpose-built weapon designed with a singular goal: to dominate the high banks of NASCAR. With its iconic nose cone and towering rear wing, it was an exercise in extreme aerodynamics, a machine that broke speed records and forced rivals back to the drawing board. That spirit of overwhelming force carried through the decades, culminating in the modern era with the Hellcat monsters. These weren't just powerful cars, they were supercars in sedan clothing, unleashing more than 700 horsepower from their supercharged V8 hearts. From the racetrack to the drag strip to the street, the Charger has always represented raw, uncompromising power. But the ground is shifting beneath the automotive world. A perfect storm of change is brewing. Governments across the globe are enacting stricter emissions laws, demanding a cleaner footprint. Simultaneously, new technology is advancing at an exponential rate, redefining what a vehicle can be. And leading this charge is a global push toward electric vehicles, a paradigm shift that challenges the very foundation of the internal combustion engine. The age of gasoline is facing its twilight. For a brand like Dodge, built on the roar of the V8, this presented a monumental crossroads. The company faced two starkly different choices. They could let the muscle car, as we know it, fade away, to become a cherished relic of a bygone era, a hero that couldn't adapt to a new world. Or they could do what the Charger has always done: adapt, innovate, and dominate. They could take the very essence of muscle, the power, the presence, the attitude, and reinvent it for the future. They chose the second option. They chose to evolve. After decades of V8 dominance, the moment of reinvention has arrived. This is the all-new Charger Daytona. It's a nameplate that carries the weight of history. But this car is engineered to define the future of American muscle. And at first glance, it still looks like a muscle car. The designers at Dodge understood a crucial truth: a Charger must look like a Charger. It can't be a generic softened EV. It has to project power and presence, even when standing still. That starts with its unmistakable wide stance. The car sits low and broad, hugging the road with a planted, confident posture that screams performance. This isn't just for show. It's a functional design choice that lowers the center of gravity and enhances stability. The aggressive front fascia stares you down, a modern interpretation of the intimidating face that has defined the Charger for generations. The thin, full-width daytime running light gives it a futuristic signature, but the overall shape is pure, unapologetic muscle. And then there are the massive shoulders over the rear wheels. This classic design cue, a hallmark of rear-wheel drive muscle cars, has been meticulously sculpted into the Daytona's bodywork, creating a powerful, athletic silhouette that flexes even at a standstill. But look closer, and you'll see where the past and future collide. The front of the car features an innovative, patent-pending design called the R-Wing. This is the single most significant aerodynamic feature on the vehicle, and a complete departure from traditional muscle car design. Instead of blocking airflow with a massive, flat grille like traditional muscle cars, air actually passes through the nose of the vehicle. It's channeled up and over the hood, creating a significant amount of downforce on the front axle. This clever piece of engineering dramatically improves aerodynamics and increases efficiency, all while maintaining that bold, intimidating Dodge look. It's a solution that allows the Charger to be both a muscle car and a modern, slippery EV. At the rear, that blend of heritage and high-tech continues. A full-width LED light bar glows across the back of the car, creating a ring of fire effect that is both modern and instantly recognizable. It's a nod to the iconic racetrack tail lamps of past Chargers, but executed with cutting-edge technology. It looks futuristic, yet it feels unmistakably Charger. This is the visual language of electric muscle. Underneath the aggressive body lies the biggest transformation in Charger history: electric power. The Charger Daytona uses a dual-motor electric system. One motor drives the front wheels, another powers the rear. Together they deliver massive performance. The Scat Pack version produces around 670 horsepower. And because electric motors produce instant torque, the acceleration is explosive. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just over 3 seconds. That's faster than many supercars. No engine revving, no gear shifts, just instant power. But Dodge knew something was missing. Muscle cars are supposed to sound powerful. Electric cars usually don't. So Dodge engineered something completely unique: the Fratsonic chambered exhaust. Instead of engine noise, the system uses acoustic chambers and speakers to generate a loud performance sound. And it's not subtle. At full power, the system can reach 126 decibels. That's louder than many traditional muscle cars. It's Dodge's way of proving that even an electric muscle car can still make an entrance. If the exterior is a bold statement, the interior is a full-blown manifesto. Step inside the Charger Daytona, and the line between muscle car heritage and a high-tech future dissolves completely. The moment the door unlatches, you're greeted by a symphony of light. An all-new attitude adjustment interior lighting system with 64 customizable colors awakens in a choreographed sequence, flowing from the instrument panel to the door cards. It's not just illumination, it's a welcome, an invitation into a space that feels both familiar and revolutionary. The design is a modern reinterpretation of the iconic 1968 Charger's instrument panel, creating a layered, cockpit-like environment that feels sculpted around you. Your primary view is dominated by a stunning, freestanding digital instrument cluster. The standard 10.25-inch screen is impressive, but the available 16-inch version is a game-changer, offering unparalleled clarity and customization. You can choose from classic, modern, or focused themes, tailoring the information to your exact preference, whether that's a minimalist speed readout for a calm cruise, or a full suite of performance telemetry for a track day. It's all framed perfectly by a new, heated, flat top and flat bottom steering wheel, ensuring your view is always unobstructed. To your right, the command center, a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen canted toward the driver for optimal ergonomics. This is the nerve center for navigation, media, and a deep suite of performance settings. The Uconnect 5 system is faster and more intuitive than ever, giving you access to everything from drive modes to detailed vehicle data. Here, you can toggle between auto, eco, sport, wet, snow, and the all-important track and drag modes, each one fundamentally altering the car's personality. Dive deeper, and you'll find performance pages, a hallmark of modern Dodge muscle. This is where you can monitor G-forces, reaction times, and see real-time power and torque distribution between the front and rear motors. It's a data lover's paradise, designed to help you extract every ounce of performance. Every line, every screen, every control is intentionally focused on the person in charge. This isn't a passive cabin, it's an active command center. The high-backed sport seats, available in either Nappa leather or a combination of cloth and vinyl, are designed to hold you firmly in place during the kind of aggressive acceleration this car delivers. They're both a statement piece and a crucial piece of performance equipment. That attitude adjustment lighting isn't just for show. It dynamically changes based on your driving mode and inputs. Select track mode, and the cabin can glow an intense red. Stomp on the accelerator, and the lights can react to the surge of power, creating a truly immersive experience. And then, for those moments when you need everything the car has to give, there's a special button on the steering wheel. It's called Power Shot. Press it, and for 15 seconds, the system unleashes an additional 40 horsepower. It's a feature inspired by drag racing, a temporary overboost that provides a stunning burst of extra acceleration, perfect for a decisive overtake or launching off the line. It's like activating a hidden performance mode, a secret weapon at your fingertips. And with the available performance data recorder, you can even capture your driving, synchronizing video with real-time vehicle data. This interior isn't just a place to sit, it's an integral part of the electric muscle car experience. Performance is impressive, but electric cars also depend on battery technology. The Charger Daytona uses a large 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Estimated driving range is around 300 miles, enough for daily driving and long road trips. And when it's time to recharge, fast charging technology can restore most of the battery in about 30 minutes. Not quite as fast as filling a gas tank, but much faster than older electric vehicles. Still, the Charger Daytona has sparked a heated debate. Some muscle car fans believe nothing will ever replace a roaring V8 engine. For them, electric power feels like the end of an era. But others see something different. They see the evolution of performance. Electric power delivers incredible acceleration, advanced technology, and a completely new driving experience. The Charger Daytona sits right in the middle of that debate. The Dodge Charger Daytona represents the next chapter in muscle car history, a bold step into the electric era. It may not sound exactly like the past, but it might just define the future, because one thing hasn't changed. The Charger is still built for speed, still built for power, and still built to turn heads. The only difference now is how that power is delivered.